Jambal Region Secondary School named after Abdurrahman Aitiev, English teacher in Tikpekova Sholpan. Grade 6, Unit 5, Our Health. The theme of the lesson, food and drink. Learning objectives. Provide basic information about themselves and others at sentence level on an increasing range of general topics. Understand the main points of supported extended talk on a range of general and curricular topics. Lesson objectives. All learners will be able to name food and drink, then find pictures of them, make up sentences, and pronounce new words correctly. Lead-in, duping method. Divide into two groups. First group, food. Second group, drink. New words. Water, juice, egg, cheese, chips, fish, soup, rice, meat, sweets, bread, nut, ice cream. Descriptor for the task 1. Read the dialogue, translate the dialogue. Descriptor for the task 2. Complete the words, read the words. Fruit, drinks, other food. Group assessment. Members of the groups assess another group. Descriptor. Put the names. Food. Hamburger, chips, chicken, chocolate, salad, pizza, banana, yogurt, ice cream, apple. Follow up. Speaking. Descriptor. Name the food. Name the drink. What is it? It is an egg. Descriptor. Match the photos with words. Read the words. Salad, chips, soup, sweets, fish, apple, bread, rice, pasta, nuts, water, crisps, sandwich, beans, egg, burger, cheese, meat, ice cream, fizzy drink, juice. Complete the crossword. Down and across. Ending the lesson. Giving home task. Learn by heart new words. Learns feedback. Color the figure which reflects your feeling after the lesson. Lesson is over. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention.